Once again, welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I'll be talking about the 3.3 and 5 volts and IC, the bulk regulator IC that is responsible of converting the 19 volts down to 3.3 and then 5 volt IC. And we are still working on the schematic of Robook 440G4 quantum board. From the schematic here, you can see this is the diagram, the schematic diagram of the board. And there is the board view, and there is the pin out, pin 1 to 26. And here also is the data sheet of the same chip. You can see how the pin out is being laid out from the data sheet. You can see them. You can see the VIN is 5 to 25 volts input. You can see the upper gate, the boot to the phase. All those are connected to 3.3 volts. You can see the gate 2 and the boot 1 phase and lower gate also connected to the 5 volt section of the IC.